Hello again, a new day, a new project. We have to fix HP650. The laptop is working, but it's very slow. And for now, I get rid of all the junk software, all kind of free antivirus and many other gadgets like that. Free software, let's call it. But the computer, it's still running slow. Okay, so it's Intel Celeron over here. CPU B830, 1.8 gigahertz and 6 giga of RAM, and it's pretty okay for home using, surfing, browsing and stuff like this. But I think that the fan needs to be clean, so it's exactly what I'm gonna do now. Before opening it up, don't forget to shut it down for good. Okay, so the computer is shut down. First thing what I'm gonna do is to take out the battery. So the power is completely gone. Now we have all these screws around here, and we have another short ones over here. These are very important. Okay, and we have another 3 really small here in the back. Okay, then we have another one over here to have this plastic lid out, and there is the memory. We have access to the memories. There is no other screw over here, but we have these antennas. I'm gonna take that out too. That's the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth card. So we took all these screws out. Okay, we have another one here, and this is the hard drive. Unplug the hard disk connector over there, and we can take the hard disk out. There is another screw over here. Take out the DVD. We don't need that. Let's try to open it up. You need a plectrum, and we'll do the same technique like some others. Try to find the vulnerability, I call it. Okay, there we go. And can hear that already. Okay, look over there, we have another screw here, and now, but I think I have another one over here. Look, the back going out, and I think the top is getting off. What about having the keyboard first? And it's looking like we have to do that. You see the keyboard have a few hinges over here. We need to push them up, and another one here. One here. And we have the keyboard out. Easy with this one. Screws, more screws, and another screws. I can see already the fan is absolutely crazy dirty. This model, the top is going out, not the bottom. That means that the case is pretty solid in place. Look here, the fan, it's absolutely full of dirt. I can imagine what's behind. This should go out, but we have some screws. Another screw, oh my god. And this is the screen connection over here. Yep, it's gone, it's out. Nice. And the fan, because I'm not sure, but I think the fan is going out with the board. There we go. And that's the power plug. Now I have to take this out, and there is a certain way to do it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And here we have the fan connector. Okay, this is a sticker here. I'll take this out. Now let's open the fan. There are 4 small screws. Yeah, we did it finally. Oh my god, look here. Look how this is supposed to work. This is funny. Okay, so we did clean the heatsink, but I'm still have a problem with this one because the heatsink was so full of dust. This one was running and running and running and running. Only have a drop of oil and put it back. That's it. These screws are specially for plastic because they have another metric, and it's very useful to have a little bit of magnetized screwdriver. Okay, let's put this back on top and we are good to go. The bad point is that I have to recover this thermic paste. I don't have any. I'm gonna use this one and some of the processor. Let's clean it with some isopropylic alcohol. I'm gonna use some of this white stuff, but only the oil on the top, because I'm gonna add some of this, and this is melting. Look there, it's perfect. Now the thermic paste, it's fresh again, like new. Super. Let's have the heatsink back in place. Number 1, number 2, don't over tie it. Number 3, okay, and number 4. And that's it. We are good to go. We can put it back in the case. And if we are here already, it's a good idea to check the hinges. And let's have the board back in place. Power supply. Now we have the screws, one here. And I have another one over there. Screen back on, and we are good to go. Wow, this is crazy. Perfect. What we got here? Okay, I can have that already connected. Okay, power plug in, it's okay. We have to connect this one too, and loudspeakers, of course, the screen. Now let's have this in place like this. It's okay. Perfect. Okay, this is okay. This one goes right here. So okay, so let's put the screws back. So we have L6 over here, 6mm. That means M2. The others was 2.5. Yeah, it's okay here. Keyboard back in place. Okay, here it's looking like. Hard disk on, and let's go for the test. Power supply on. Yeah, the sound is working. It's exactly what I was trying to check. And shut it down again, because we have to put all the screws back together. Damn quiet. Nice. Let's have the Wi-Fi back in place. And we have number 1 here. This is perfect. We have a screw over here. Let's have the DVD also. There's one there, one here, of course, and we are good. Now let's put back the hard disk top here. Yeah. Now the memory should go right here. Battery back in place. And job done. Battery is working. So that's it for now, folks. The job is done, the laptop is working as it should. Until the new project, wish you well, and don't forget, like and subscribe. See you soon. Bye bye.